Alex's EDC Army, and welcome to Alex's Knives and Such, where the such stands for EDC gear. Today, I am doing my slip joint collection for Slip Joint Saturday. I have never really shown my slip joints, but here they go. Oh, and I need to include one more that I have just noticed. Be right back. I'm going to leave this Rough Rider in the box, and when you see it, you'll know why I left it in the box. The slip joint we're going to start out with will be this VV fracture. I heard they didn't make a lot of these, and they were like a fan appreciation knife, so, okay. Nice. As side to side, but they can be tightened. It is really hard to see on camera, so I want to tell you off camera. It's 8 CR14 MOV. Okay, everybody rants or raves about Civivis here and there, and this is a good Civivi slip joint. I don't carry it as often as I should, but I will for more now. That's the Civivi fracture in 8 CR14 MOV with gray G10, Tanto blade, pocket clip also. Oh, and I do have another slip joint that I just remembered about that's in my knife roll. I'll be right back when I include it in the video. Okay. Next one we're going to show you is this Buck Stockman China made jig bone handle scales. 3 blades actually. Let's go with the middle blade. I'll try it again. There's no half stop, so we can go straight past it. Okay. Sheep's foot blade. Probably for the Buck 440. If you want the model number, it is Buck 371. Clip point blade. You'll take this out so you don't hurt yourself. And this is a nice knife. And it's a Buck. Even if they're China made, they're really good. Put that right here so you guys can see that this is the jig bone Buck 371 Stockman. Got it at Walmart for $20 before tax. Next, what's next? Go with this one. I believe I got this from a giveaway win from Big Red EDC. If not, then it's from a win from Therapeutic Edge. I haven't opened this in a while, so it just sits around. But I do love it and appreciate it, and I'm going to keep it and use it. And I can't wait to use it again. Hopefully today. Titanium. Yeah, this is one from Therapeutic Edge. It's the Muskrat titanium steel coating with 440 razor sharp steel. Always 440A. And this is the model number. Let me close this blade so it don't snipe me. This model number is RR 17. Let me look off camera. RR 17 RR 1784. China made, but it's a nice Buck. I'm not a buck, sorry, a Rough Rider. My bad. My mindset's that, you know. Big buck fan. It is smooth bone handle. Red inset stuff with the brass. That's their side to side, which sucks, but not really, but okay. The Buck Muskrat. And the model number again is 1784. Speaking about Rough Riders, let's go to this one with this box. I got this at a thrift store for less than $8. This is the RR 274. You can pause to read this if you can. And for 10 years, the Rough Rider brand has followed the tradition of Teddy Roosevelt. So, this is probably the knife made 10 years after Rough Rider was created, because I don't know when they were created. It's needing some TLC. The box is wonky, but we're gonna look at this nice red. Forgot I had this red, but this is gorgeous. Big red EDC. Would love this. This is the razor. Blade Play. But that's what it looks like. You have a nice finger choil on a Rough Rider. Hey. Good, nice. And you have, it says, tested RR sharp. Really scratched up. Maybe just close this so I can close the other one. Open this one. Some gunk on the blade I gotta clean off. Sticky substance. Tape, possibly. .440 razor sharp steel as always. Standard. Then it says China and it says Rough Rider. It's Rough Rider with the I, and then it says Cutlery Company. Like the box with the I. This is the originals, I guess, then. Because they were the ones that said I. Now there's with Y's. Okay? So it looks together. And this is your red. Oh, wait. There's a shield on here that says tested. It says, I don't know what it says. Tested. It says on the box. So it can be tested sharp. Okay? And RR. And that's the Rough Rider RR274 in red jigged bone. The box to the side, and that's the knife. Where are we going next? My wins from Big Red EDC for doing the donation to the GoFundMe for an awesome knife person in the community called John. He is from Grateful Panic Knife Reviews. Check him out. The Carbon series. All my boxes are put up in the container, so a large storage container, so I don't have them right now to show you. This model is RR2212, RR2212. Okay. reflectiveness going. Let me close this out. You can see. You get a wipe down from fingerprints. It has the blue and black. And then when you open it all the way, the other blade, you'll see it has blue and brass. And that's your Rough Rider RR2212. Nice high carbon 2 series. Oh, and look at this. They were made in 1994. So, as of this Rough Rider, it is the 25th anniversary of Rough Rider. Nice. Move this over. Put this right here. This is the tiny one I got from the giveaway win. This one also is the 25th anniversary. Okay. This. RR2216 or RR2216. Gotta open this to open the other one, I guess. I cannot open the other blade. Huh? This one's a toughie here. Okay. And this one is this blade. Let me close this blade so I don't cut myself showing you. He's only a wipe down, but this is the RR2216 or RR2216. Another carbon series. I think the carbon 2. The next knife we're going to do is this Lady Heel, which is the Rough Rider Sparkle series. Hand built. It says on the shield. And RR. This is the RR2016. Okay, let me try this way. Okay. 440 razor sharp steel, which is their 440A. Nice blade shape. Goes tapers down. And you get a second blade, but look at the handles real quick. Turn off the And it's a lady heel. Closest one for you. No half stop. Well, wait. There is half stop. My bad. Then you get this one out. This video is making me want to carry more slip joints today while I'm inside the home and use them or have them around to be used. But this is the Rough Rider Sparkle Series Lady Heel, and the model number is RR2016. Okay. Let's start from small to biggest. To biggest, small, and go up in size. And end up with this one. But here we have the Boker SMKW exclusive Christmas 2020 edition knives. They're on SMKW's National Knife Day sale on August 24th. I got all four. But recently I've seen that there's one more. And I'll have to pick that up next month to complete the 5. Give it 5 SMKW Jigged Green Bone 2020 Christmas knives because of the shield. It says Merry Christmas. It says Boker. I really gravitated towards these. These were really cool to me. It's more of a razor or something because there is no edge. Yes, I do like my fidgety and great steel expensive knives that you call them that have great action or are pricey, but you can get them for cheaper. But these really speak to me, and this says, let me close this blade. Let me close this blade for you. This says high carbon stainless steel. Take more care of these, oil these, wipe them down, and have a great time. Ow. I might have a small thing of I have a rusty razor just in case. And I'm going to wipe these down and take care of these after the video. Because this might be a spot already to take care of. Nice blade though. Nice blade, and yep. I don't think they have model numbers on these. No, they don't. But okay, these are great Christmas knives for 2020. Second in the series, I don't know what they're called. Trapper, mini trapper, executive or something. Governor, I don't know, but we'll see. This might be the mini somethings or whatever because it's 3-bladed and small. You're a Boker. Says Merry Christmas. Says high carbon stainless steel. That's what they're going to say on each one of them, so I'm not going to take too much time to focus on that. It's a nice blade shape. And third blade is in the middle. high carbon stainless steel. More of a sheep's foot blade. Really nice. Okay, so you gotta go with the nail nicks. Watch out, don't hurt yourself on these. These are your blades. 2020 Christmas edition. Keep on going. This is the bigger, second bigger version, but okay. This is your blade. High carbon stainless steel. And 20 shield for the Christmas SMW exclusives. Listen to this snap again. Nice snap. Merry Christmas, Boker. And that's it in green jig bone. And the brass and sets and everything else. Move this over so we can put this right here. And you have the largest one of them all, the big trapper, I believe. The regular size trapper, but high carbon stainless steel. I had to cut myself on camera, so Boker, Merry Christmas to you and you and you and you and you. That's your knife. Everything's nice on this. This is the nicest one of them all. And fit and finish. One more glossy, one more colorful, way more nicer. And great. Christmas 2020s. If they still have them, you should pick them up because they're a great value to get all 5. And they're really nice to have. We're going to go with the Boker theme and then go back to the Christmas after. But we have the Boker Tech Tool Outdoor 1 in green G10. Really nice canvasy G10. Its model number is 1197 or 1197. Boker. And the steel is 12C27. Great steel. Then, my friends, we have a pocket clip. You don't see too many slip joints with a pocket clip. This Severe Fracture has a pocket clip, and this Boker Tech Tool Outdoor 1. Which, you could put the pocket clip on this. This pocket clip can go tip up or tip down, right hand only. Sorry, lefties, but at least you get to tip up or tip down if anybody wants to so choose. Either one. You could even take off the pocket clip and pocket drop it. It has, let me close this blade real quick. focused into this. Even has forgot what it's called, a glass breaker. Okay, and a nail nick to open it. No half stop, but it's okay. Side to side, yes. Gosh, it's pins. Pins, you are my enemy, but hey, life is life, and we go from there. Boker 1197 with 12C 27 steel. Nice pocket slip joint with a pocket clip, or you could take it off and has a glass breaker. This Boker I won in a Instagram giveaway. Has a nice sheath that you can put on your belt loop. It comes out like this. Serves me well. Nice sheath. Oh boy. This is the shield. It says Sologen. Like the live with John from Grateful Panic Knife Reviews. In his live, he was trying to learn how to say Sologen or Sola something. However you say this, he didn't know. And they were teaching him how to say it in that live. This is way too reflective compared to the other SMKW Boker shields. The camera does not seem to want to focus on this shield. Bumped my tripod there, sorry. You get the point. Oh, this is a tough one. It hurts to open though too. Next, this one is a problem. This says H. Boker and Co. Sologen. That refers to the Grateful Panic Knife Reviews live with the word Sologen. And him trying to learn it. This one says Tree Brand Classic. Okay. And to close it, you just do this. Stag handle scales. Not looking forward to the next blade. Oh gosh. Oh my gosh, keep this open. But this is how it is in hand. Admire this real quick. The struggle is real with this slip joint. Okay, you don't want to rip. Oh, sorry, bump this. Oh gosh, you don't want to rip your nail out. But, I did it way better than I thought I would. Yum. But then again, I want to close this one. Oh no. Hopefully you don't rub. Hopefully you don't rub. This would be terrible. No, there's a lot of gapping in between. You see? Good, we're good. Oh, not yet. Trying not to cut myself. Look at this nail, Nick. Why is it so thin? And then it's hidden right in here. And this one is way more protruding, more open, so, you know. You got the Tree Brand Classic with the Solagen, H. Boker & Co. Solagen and the Tree of Life. And then this is the blade you want to see. And this is your knife. Great, great quality. Valued at $160 on BladeHQ.com. I won this on a giveaway that was up on Instagram. Speaking of Instagram, my Instagram channel, my Instagram page is Alex's Knives Such. All one word. Alex's Knives Such. And again, this is the sheath. Listen to the snap of the button. Okay. I'm going to open. Where am I going to put this now? Forgot another slip joint, the last one. Sorry about that. That was a big mistake on my part because I do love Dylan Mallory designs and there's nothing wrong with his stuff. And just have a lot of stuff to do right now, so forgot this. I'm so sorry, Dylan Mallory. This is the Artisan Cutlery. Go back with this. Everything out the way. Artisan Cutlery Biome. Let me move this out, sorry. Artisan Cutlery Biome. JG10. Really like it. Ooh, that could have went bad. You guys notice that you gotta pay attention to what you're doing. This doesn't have really a finger choil, so it's going to go on you, down on you, cut you. It is 12C27N Sandvik, Swedish Sandvik steel, made in China, with the Dylan Mallory logo. I do have a question. Is the proper term 12C27N or 12C27? Because there's a lot of steels labeled on blades that do not have the N after 27 and 12C27. But this is a great knife. If you can pick it up, it's $20 before tax. And it is totally worth it in JG10. Nice color, nice everything, nice handling. And it's a really thin knife for a great slicer. Okay. This is about sheathed ones. This is a magnetic closure for MKM. A little bit of wear. Got on SMKW's Knife Day sale, and it was originally $99. I got it for less than $80. Okay. Italy. Monaco, Italy. Monaco, Italy. Okay. These are like your nail nick to grab onto. Aluminum, premium feel, nice everything. This is like blurple purple pivot collar. It is an Anso design. And it has a lanyard hole. It's a nice sheep's foot style blade. Barreling side to side play. And M390 blade steel. This is how it goes in the sheath. But you do have to close it to put it in there. But yeah, this is your knife. Magnetic sheath closure. Okay. Really great knife. If you can find it for less than 100 again, scoop it up. It's a great slip joint. Elegant and fancy. We're going to put this now. Can we do it right here? Yes. Okay. Let's do the Christmas one and then go to the Victorinox set of 2 knives. This one I guess I just got today and have a unboxing video, but is a Rough Rider. Santa going like this. It has Rough Rider with the Y. It is made for 2021 Christmas. And it said that on SMKW. This is not an SMKW exclusive. If I go out today or Monday or anytime next week, I would like to carry this. Something to me about this feels really heavy and nice compared to other slip joints. Well, this one is the biggest slip joint I have. Wait, is it? Yes. No, yes, it's the biggest Rough Rider Christmas. It's the Boker slip joint Christmas. And this feels more heavier. I like the heaviness to this because it makes you know. It makes you know what's there. But, this one is way heavier though. Like that too. It's more even. Well, this is pretty heavy itself, but this is way heavier. Okay. Oh. Half stop. Let me show you again. Okay. You go like this. Okay. And this. Okay. This nail nick is all pain in the rear. Right here. Never try this. Go for this one. You get open all, every time. Merry Christmas. 440 razor sharp steel. The usual 440A. Then it says RR2392. China made. This is your, look like this, Rough Rider, Merry Christmas, RR2392, Christmas 2021 edition. 3D linear handles. Great, 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 great knife. Let's look at it right now as we can. Gotta move some stuff over. Okay, what else do I have? These two Victorinox knives. I'm going to take a quick, short break and be right back to show them to you. We're going to leave the Desert Warrior for last because it's super fun. But we're going to show you this. This is the slipcase. It's not good on the bottom. That's how I got it. I got it at an antique store for about $10. Let me get this out for you. It's the tweezers. Go back in really nice. Toothpick. Okay. You all know those standard tools. This is the executive model. And engraved on this is Bill J. Carruthers. In the town I used to live in Missouri, there was a bank called Commerce Bank. And Bill J. Carruthers was a president or vice president of the bank long ago. And this was what they gave him when he retired. One of the things, at least. And I don't think he's no longer with the world, being an old man. And I found this at the antique store. I hear that, from what I heard, they're going to discontinue or they have discontinued this model. But the cool thing about it is you get the blade, the standard Victorinox blade, the keyring, get the smaller blade, standard smaller blade, the shield is silver on this. And then we're going to miss the tool on that side. Come back to it. And I'll show you this. Could be used as a screwdriver tip. Clean under your nails also. File. And that's it. Then you got my favorite tool in Victorinox, which the camper does need. How you going to have a camper without this tool? But it's the scissors. Okay? Really nice. The one thing, though, that sets the executive model apart from the rest is with the two blades, they have an extra tool. You're wondering, what is this tool? And it's the only model that has this tool. So let's check it out together. Can you hear that? You must be wondering, what is this tool? And why is it so unique that it's only on one Victorinox model? Well, this tool is an orange peeler tool. If you have an orange, you just slice this part on the peel, like push it in and go down a little bit, and you can take the orange peel off the orange way easier. It might also work for lemons and limes, as well as other orange type peel fruits. And I've tested this tool because I was curious, does that really work, or is it a gimmicky thing since it's only on one model of a Victorinox? Well, you best believe this works really good. And that is your Victorinox Executive. Snazzy, isn't it? But really, Victorinox, you're probably not listening, but if anybody has ties with Victorinox, tell them that the camper needs to be updated with scissors. There is a big use for scissors in camping. And last, but certainly not least, the fun knife of the afternoon is the Victorinox Desert Warrior S, the Classic SD. It's a Blade HQ It's a Blade HQ exclusive. It reminds me of the Homer Simpson donut with the light sky blue Victorinox logo. You're getting really good stuff, really fun. Then the other side is the doughy donut, part, and it has Blade HQ's logo with the Blade HQ name because it's a Blade HQ because it's a Blade HQ exclusive. Has your tweezers, simple, easy, the basics. Not tweezed, I mean, sorry. Dang it, Alex. Been a long video, close to 50 minutes. It's the toothpick. Standard, everyday Victorinox toothpick, so you do not have to know more about it. And the tweezers. With the tweezers, you always have to check how they line up, because they could be bent. Spot on. Get that splinter, pull it out. The standard keyring, the scissors. I wonder, where does this meet up? Spot on. Good scissors. Used them a time or two. You get the basic standard blade. And you get the screwdriver tip. We're making it the classic SD. The nail file. Or just file. Not super great, but it's there. It does stuff. It works. This screwdriver is great. I'm going to let you know something, because most people have forgotten, or they just don't use that model anymore too much. So I don't know much. I don't hear much about it, about that model. But they do have a Victorinox Classic without the SD lettering to it, which means no screwdriver tip. But I don't see or hear about that much anymore, so who knows if it's even readily available or even readily used. But what I like is the classic SDs if you're going for a classic, because you get this awesome screwdriver tip. You can't go wrong with a screwdriver tip. And look at this Homer Simpson donut. Why can't you have fun? It's super cool and super fun. $20 before shipping on BladeHQ.com. If you can find it, scoop it up. It is fun and non-scary at all for people who are against knives. Like, comment, share, subscribe, even dislike. Have a great day. Be safe. Let me know what your opinions of my slip joint collection is in the comment section below. And you can call this an open tag to anybody who wants to show or share their slip joint collection. I never thought I would like slip joints as much as I do, but look at that. I do have a heck ton of a lot of slip joints. And they serve me well. And they're great. And I want to use them more. Like, comment, share, subscribe, even dislike. Have a great day. Be safe. And remember to use those sharp blades.